Some houses you see, but the special ones, those you feel. Yep. When you walk through these doors, and you see all these rooms, all you're gonna see is wow. Welcome to This is Capital Garden. My name's Malineta, and today I'm gonna be giving you a house tour of this 3-bedroom 2 suite of size 13.5 square meters. Price is 14.8 million. So let's talk about this. So this is the living area of this 3-bedroom 6 place. You can have your dining. You can have your dining over there. From there we can go directly to the kitchen. This is the kitchen of this 3-bedroom. It's already fitted with these the burners already over there. These are the wardrobes over there. You can do your dishes, you can wash your dishes over there. From there we can get from that kitchen. You have already seen the living area, the kitchen. Now we want to go to one of the bedrooms. So we start with this, we can call it a master bedroom. So it has its own washrooms over there. That's the washroom. But let's first of all check at the bed space and the bedroom. So we have a bigger bedroom, bigger bed space. This is the wardrobe, looking so good. So I can give the person the director of this project a 7 out of 10 because he has utilized this space very well. So from the bedroom and the bed space, we look at the washroom. This washroom, you can have your shower over there. You can use this washroom over here. There's a place you can maybe wash your hands or your face. You can check the mirrors already fitted for you over there. Yeah, this room is looking so good from this space, from this area, looking good. Also, these are little drawers. You can store your souvenirs over there or anything. It's like a pantry, but this is for storing souvenirs, some good things people can see when they visit. From there we go to the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Over here you can see it, this is the second bedroom. Yeah, it's looking good. The lights are already fitted for you. The bedroom is over there. The wardrobe is already there. So in this place, this is the second bedroom. It's looking so good, so nice. So I feel even like I want to sleep over here. But anywho, we are just giving you a house tour or a tour for this 3-bedroom. Yeah. So from there we go to the washroom. The washroom of this place, it's not inside but outside. So this is the washroom. You can have this for your guest. So this is the washroom. Yeah, you can see it. It have bigger lights, bigger glasses or mirrors. So this is the third bed. It's almost been fitted in. The contractor are already inside. The person fitting these are already here. They want to fit it. Remember, this is going for 14.8 million. So just in case you want to have this, you can have it. From there, this now the way it's looking so good. From there you can see the way it's so spacious. It's so spacious. So from here we go from now the third bedroom. So you have seen the master bedroom, the first bedroom, the second bedroom can have your guests, your kids over there. So yeah, you can think about it. And this is a good place to invest in. Remember, this is Capital Gardens that is in Kilimani. Yeah, it's in Kilimani. Just some in Kilimani. If you want to invest in that, you can go that. Remember, this it's located at along George Padmore Road in Kilimani, consisting of maybe 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms.